Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this internship video series, today we have an exciting announcement from Google. Google has announced Bold Internship Program. The Bold Internship Program application for the summer 2025 is open from September 30th to October 18th of this month. Who are eligible for applying this Bold Internship Program? Only students who are currently enrolled in the full-time Bachelor degree program, as well as graduating between December 2025 as well as June 2026 are eligible to apply for this Bold Internship Program. Please ensure that your expected graduation month and year you are supposed to be included in your resume when you are applying it. The moment if you click apply now, you'll be able to apply for this Bold Internship Program. So let's see what are the major do's and don'ts for applying this Bold Internship Program you are supposed to do. Let's see the first question. Who should apply for this Bold Internship Program? Bold Internship Program is building opportunities for leadership and development internship. And this particular internship is for the UG college students who are interested in working non-technical career opportunities at Google. So there is no technical skills. It is a non-technical skills opportunities at Google. Only students who have their second to last year of full-time BE degree and plan to return to school for at least one academic term before you completing the degree to apply for this program. And then how do I apply? If I want to apply for this program, the Bold Internship Program will open in the September of this month till your October. This particular Bold Internship will be available. And what will be the scope of this program? The scope of this program is placed on the teams across sales, marketing, finance, and program management. So these are the various roles you will be placed for the Bold internship opportunities. And what kind of training opportunities are available within this program? Outside of your core as well as your project works, Bold interns have the opportunity to take the advantage of the learning and development program Google offers. We encourage interns to invest in themselves to grow their personal as well as professional skills. Yeah. And throughout this internship program, Google will offer a professional development series, mentorship opportunities, leadership speaker series, and community building activities to connect Googlers all over the company. And what happens at the end of this program? The ultimate goal is to bring the great talent to Google, and all the Bold interns will have the opportunity to be considered as for a full-time role at Google. So these are the FAQs. If you are interested for this Bold internship program, please do click the button apply now. The moment you click the button apply now, this will redirect to the Google Careers page. You can see the Google Careers page. So the minimum qualification is a technical degree, that the B degree is required. And they mentioned that year 2025 to 2026. And so what are the role areas? One is sales, marketing, program management, finance. These are the areas you will be placed for the internship opportunities. There is no technical skills. These are non-technical skills. Okay. For such type of internship, scholarship, your free certification, as well as your skill challenges, your hackathon related things, as well as your latest technology updates, please do subscribe my channel. So my channel name is Start with Jenna, and please support me in this YouTube journey and share this information to your friends, colleagues, neighbors, and lovable ones, and pass this information. They'll also get benefited from this series. And I had curated a playlist which is for the coding hackathon challenges, the latest and trending updates, scholarship, internship. Please go ahead and visit the playlist. And the playlist is curated among the latest trending areas. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for more updates.